About an hour ago, multiple gaming websites have started to report that the next Call of Duty for 2024 will be featured at a main event this summer. Insider Gaming is one of the sites reporting, and they said Call of Duty Black Ops Gulf War to be featured at Xbox Showcase in June. The article reads, "It's been a wild 24 hours for Xbox Showcase rumors, and now Tom Warren at The Verge is reporting that this year's Call of Duty title, Black Ops Gulf War, will also be featured at this year's Xbox Showcase." If you open that link, it shows you the article where they're getting this information from, showing it is going to be during the Xbox Showcase and during June. That article says Microsoft loses key Xbox executive amid continued gaming shakeup. If you look to the right, it does show that this article was written by Tom Warren, and this just went live today at like 2 p.m. Central. If you scroll down, it says that Microsoft is in the middle of planning for its big summer Xbox Showcase. I understand this is set to take place on Sunday, June 9th, and Microsoft is currently planning to announce the new Gears of War game at the show. It also says it's going to be showing Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, Indiana Jones, The Great Circle, and then at the bottom it says a new Call of Duty that's set to debut later this year. Going back to the other article, it mentions that the reveal for this next Call of Duty is actually going to be even before this Xbox Showcase. It reads, "Insider Gaming can corroborate that this is the plan, but the game is currently set to be revealed prior to the showcase in a more traditional fashion and outside of Warzone. Since 2020, previous Call of Duty titles have been revealed as a live event in the free-to-play Battle Royale, which attracts millions of players during the event. It's understood that Black Ops Gulf War will be revealed prior to Summer Games Fest in June. The showcase will feature some form of deep dive into the game, presumably a campaign mission walkthrough if they go traditional. We could then hear more about its multiplayer offering around August and zombies soon after." They also say that Call of Duty Black Ops Gulf War is to be released in October, and as previously reported, Insider Gaming understands that this year's Call of Duty title will be an open-world campaign developed by Raven Software, multiplayer, and zombies to be handled by Treyarch Games. Speaking with sources, it's been said that Xbox is gearing up for an announcement on its back catalog of games following the acquisition of Activision Blizzard. So Gulf War might not be the only Call of Duty related announcement that we'll be hearing in June. Then they say, what do you think of Call of Duty going down a more traditional route with its announcements? For us zombies only players, we definitely don't want to be forced into Warzone to see what they're revealing. So yeah, please go traditional. Thank you. From what I remember, the last time we got a more traditional reveal was for Black Ops 4. It was May 17th, 2018. They did a community reveal event live stream, and this was definitely exciting to watch. It was cool to see Jason get up there and show us all the new stuff with zombies. So if it's true that they're going back to a more traditional reveal, then we could see something next month, like mid to late May, because they did say this was going to happen before the June 9th showcase. So we are literally weeks away. I'm very excited. This is going to be a very anticipated zombies mode. Like, we've got very high expectations. We've been starved of round base, so we are ready. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you next video.